This is the hand controls for the PLC McLift. We have a 2-button function for the lift and the push. For the up down on the mast, you have to press mast common first and then either up or down. There are 2 speeds for both directions, so single push is slow. If you push it again quickly, you get a faster speed. Same thing with the down. Now we do have spindle height selectors. These are these sensors here, and at the top, our first switch here, this would be top spindle, middle spindle, and bottom spindle. So we'll have the top spindle selected. When that happens, you can raise your roll all the way to the top sensor, and it stops. That tells you that you're higher than your spindle, so you can move in, and then you can only come down slow. That way you land on the spindle wherever it may be. Even if the middle spindle is selected, the top spindle is also always going to stop you from driving the mast too high. Okay, so now we'll show the push and the retract functions. In order to push off, you do have to be located on a spindle. Okay. Now once you're located on the spindle, you do have a lamp indication here that shows you are on there. And then with that function, you want to hold this again. It's a 2-button function. So you'll hold your common down and the extend. The air cylinders will always push first, and then it'll trigger the electric. And then same with the retract. So you'll see the air cylinders and then retract. And we do have a limit switch out there that stops it once it's all the way back. Also, that limit switch, once it's activated, you cannot move up or down until the push plate is all the way connected. And also, once the probe and the spindle has been detected, you cannot go down any farther. Also, on the hand controls, we have the on-off switch for a rotate brake. There's an on-off switch for the brakes that are on the bridge and the runway. And then here you have your laser, which is also an on-off switch. And that is to indicate the location on the floor for the operator to mate with the spindle. You have your e-stop, and then this is a key selector switch for the operation. So you have auto mode, which is your normal operating mode. This turns power off to the unit. And then this is your maintenance mode, which allows you to make adjustments and other features that maybe need to be changed, parameters or anything like that. And there's also button limit or buttons configurations that you can adjust features with.